everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own cuticle oil for dry nails, dry hand, and for dry cuticles. As you all know, the major cause of dry nail and dry cuticle is when you overuse your hand and you don't moisturize it. As a mother of three, I have very dry nails, and cuticle, as you all see, is very dry. The solution to it is to always, rub it with oil. When you don't rub it with oil, it's going to result in this. And so that's why I want to show you how to make the oil. This oil is very effective in that it's going to help soothe the dryness. It's going to strengthen your cuticle and also soften it nicely. And it's going to prevent excessive dryness as long as you use it. So the oil I'm going to use today, number one oil, is castor oil. Castor oil is very good. I'm using the USP version. Do not use the food grade, use the USP version available at pureblendnaturals.com. Then because it's a very heavy oil, you need a oil that can match, that can reduce the greasiness. That's why I include fast drying oil, grapeseed oil, very good. Then sweet almond oil is a softening oil. Then we're going to add vitamin E oil. Then we're going to use 3 blends of essential oil. First essential you're going to use is peppermint essential oil, lavender essential oil, okay. Then we're going to use tea tree essential oil. These three essential oil are good in that tea tree helps to fight nail fungi. Lavender essential oil is good for soothing, the soothing aroma and the softening effect. Then peppermint essential oil is the master soother, is going to soothe your nail very well. So let's get started then.